Hi all. The second part of the other day, the video that I did the other day, but I ran out of time, so I guess I'll finish it this time. A few months ago, actually I guess it's only been a few weeks, but anyway, I had two stress tests in a row that were excellent. The cardiologist said, you know, go out and have some fun. So I went to my primary doctor to kind of update him a little about it, and he looked at the EKG and all the results and all that, and he said he couldn't believe it. That, you know, he said my heart was in excellent shape, and he said it pretty much looks like I didn't even have a heart attack, which I did back in 2015. Some of you might remember that. So anyway, he said go have some fun, so I did that. Primary doctor suggested that I start doing some exercises, you know, walking and running if I can, and I got an exercise bike, and he suggested get some weights, start doing some weight training. So I was doing that, and I was trying to take it easy, but you know, you get into that mindset, and you just got to do just one more, just one more. Did push-ups, you know, and started with 5 pounds, and got up to about 20 or 25, I think it was, dumbbells, doing arm curls and, you know, over the head thing, whatever you call it, I can't remember now. So everything was going along good, and then pretty soon my shoulder started to hurt, and all up in my neck and down across my shoulder and into my bicep. So I slowed way down on it, and well, long story short, about, I don't know, 3-4 months I guess went by, and it was still hurting. It wasn't getting any better. So I went back. So I went to the orthopedic doctor, and he said that they did a scan on it, CAT scan. I can't do the other one because of the pacemaker. So they did the best they could with that. He put an injection in there of cortisone, and it was good for about 3 days, and then it all came back again. So they went and did the CAT scan on it, and come back that the rotator cuff is fine. There's nothing wrong with that at all, which he suspected. And so they looked at it closely, and, you know, a couple of more going back to him, and he's determined that he said the bicep muscle is like a rope, and he said the rope has become frayed. He said they can repair that, so we're going to do some surgery tomorrow on it, 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to be without a left arm for 6 to 8 weeks, and then I can start doing some other kinds of exercise. I got to go do the physical therapy, you know, and all that. Got to go through all that. He said it's going to take, it's probably going to take up to about 25 weeks before it starts coming back to where it should be. Can't lift anything over 5 pounds after the first 6 weeks. I have to sleep in a chair. Of all things, it's my left arm, and I'm left-handed, of course. So I got some big pillows, and I was supposed to put them on the sides so that, you know, and up under my arm and all that, so that I don't move my shoulder any. Sleep sitting up mostly. Said the recliner's fine. Just make sure that I'm in a position so that I don't roll over on it or, you know, flop around and that. So it's going to be interesting. I tried to do everything I could the last, you know, 3 or 4 days or so to make the motorhome better, so that I can, you know, I don't have to reach for anything pretty much. You know, the cabinets are all up high, so I'll have to get used to using my right arm for that. And so, you know, I'm looking forward to it. I mean, I've been in this much pain for quite a while, and I'm looking forward to going through the surgery and, you know, at least start getting it done. Excuse me. I need to cut that part out. And that's on one hand. On the other hand, I don't want to go through all the pain and all that. It's going to be full anesthesia, and then they're going to put a nerve block in that's supposed to alleviate all of the pain for 12 to 15 hours, and then after that is when it's going to hit me. So they're going to give me some pain pills. I'm not one for pain pills. I don't really care for the woozy stuff and all that, but I have to do something about the pain. It's going to be, he said it's going to be really sore for a couple of weeks at least, so I'm going to have to do it. But then after that, then I'll be back at 100%, and I can start doing the weight training and all that stuff again. He said after it's all healed up, I'll be able to lift anything that I can. So he said I could still do the right arm. I can do arm curls and things with my right arm, but then I'll look like Popeye or something, big arm muscle on this side, and then olive oil muscle on the left side. So I decided I'm not going to do that at all. So trying to ride my bike, my exercise bike, and I do some walking and all that. So that's kind of just the update that I wanted to say. The Monday Night Chaos won't be this Monday. Obviously, I'm probably just going to be too far out of it to even comprehend what's going on. So hopefully I'll just sleep right through it all. So, but then on Monday, then I'll start the chaos thing up again. And I was telling somebody yesterday, I guess it was, that the New Year's resolution is going to be more videos. A lot of people are saying, where are you? What happened? What's going on? And all that stuff. So, and besides that, I feel like doing something now. There for a while, like I said yesterday or the day before, I didn't want anything to do with YouTube. I just wanted to sit, and be all depressed and feel sorry for myself. So, but I'm all over that now. So I feel like doing stuff. I guess that's it. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.